Hello, everybody. Today we are going to start with something else and something very interesting and very new. It is, you see, you have got the semester system this time. We have first, the first semester will be completely objective type questions, which is MCQ, that is multiple choice questions, and that is very important as you already know because you have to know everything in minute detail so that you can answer all of them correctly. All right. So we will start with that topic. So that is the first time we will be getting MCQ questions that is new to us, and we also should know what type of questions can come. So I've given you one hint of that type of questions. You'll be that type of questions, and you will be getting at least I think six such questions where you'll be able to understand how to answer these questions. Okay, this will be from the from the poem The Patriot, and questions will also be from the two stanzas of that poem itself. Okay, so let's begin.
So as I told you that MCQ questions are important, that is multiple choice questions. You will get from all the topics that you have in the first semester. You see, first semester is for these objective type questions where you will be asked MCQ questions largely. Maybe you will have other questions also, as I heard from many other schools like MP Birla and Don Bosco, Delhi Public School. There may be some other questions also coming up, very small questions, like the CBSE board. You have very short questions and long questions. Maybe that option you may also get. But yes, the first thing is MCQ questions are obviously coming, so it is better we start preparing and let us know how to prepare. Okay, so first you see I've given you one extract. Read the following extracts and answer the questions. There is nobody on the housetops now, just a palsied few at the window set. Now you understand this is from the later half of the poem The Patriot. If you haven't followed the video that I posted on The Patriot, do follow it. It will be somewhere on top. The description in the description box also, the link will be provided on top also, so you follow from there, then you come back to the question so that you can yourself answer them and not take my help. Okay, first try on your own before I give the answer. So first question, for the best of sight is all allow at the shambles gate, or better yet be by the very scaffold's foot I trow. Okay, so state the symbolic meaning of the word palsied. This is 1 mark. Obviously MCQ questions will be for 1 mark only. So what is the meaning of the word palsied? So palsied means symbolic meaning, it is asking. Symbolic meaning means not just the direct meaning, the literal meaning, but something more than that. So damaged in some way, obviously this is also correct, isn't it? Damaged means obviously you see it is something which is not in a perfect condition. So palsied is a kind of disease. So that is also somewhat similar, but it is not directly the meaning of it, not a symbolic meaning of it. Paralyzed, you see, paralyzed is also correct. Palsied means paralyzed, but you see that is a direct or literal meaning, it is not the symbolic meaning. Incapable of doing anything, this is also right. Palsied means a condition when you are paralyzed but you can't do any, you are not able to do anything, but that is also a literal meaning, so this is also wrong. Then uncontrolled tremor. Uncontrolled tremor is also a kind of, this happens when you have this disease palsy, cerebral palsy, or paralyzed you are, then this will happen. There are tremors, you keep moving, your body keeps shaking. Okay, then this is also a literal meaning. Now from these, from where can you find the symbolic meaning? You tell me. Think. Incapable of doing anything, this gives you the symbolic meaning as well as the literal meaning, isn't it? Why literal meaning? Incapable of doing anything, obviously paralyzed condition, palsied condition is a situation when you are unable to move, you cannot do anything. Symbolic meaning, you see the people who were there on the window, who were looking from the window, isn't it? They perhaps were unable or incapable of helping the patriot. Either they were not interested in helping him at all, or they could not help him. They only saw what was done to him, they could not help him. So this is also a symbolic meaning of the word palsy. So you see, first answer C. Roman 2. What is the best of sight? All allow the sight of humiliation of the patriot, stones being flung at the patriot, the execution of the patriot. What is the meaning of the best of sight? What is the best of sight? The sight of humiliation of the patriot, the execution of the patriot. Which one? All allow, obviously not. Stones, very sorry, stones being flung at the patriot, is it? Stones being flung at the patriot? No, this is not the best of sight. Something else, something better was also there. So sight of humiliation of patriot, this is also not that correct, but you see all the answers are correct only. Some answers are better than the others, and you have to choose the better one. So which one? Obviously the execution of the patriot. Everybody or most of the people were waiting at the gallows so that they could see them, so that they could see their patriot being hung. That was the best of sight, not the people flinging stones at him. That was not the best. Number 3. What is not the meaning of the word scaffold? Not the meaning. Be very careful while you're reading the question. Not the meaning. It is not asked that what is the meaning of scaffold. So we have to identify which one is not the meaning of scaffold. See, altar, gallows, dais, gibbet. So you have 4 words over here. The word dais is not directly meaning scaffold. It is also a raised platform, but it is not. It does not actually mean a platform where people are hung. Okay, so dais. Coming to number B, so you have to learn, you have to keep a good vocabulary also, so that you can understand the meanings of all the words, so that you know what is the meaning of gallows, what is the meaning of gallows, what is the meaning of altar, what is the meaning of dais. You have to be aware of all the meanings. So MCQ, although it is 1 mark, you feel that this is easy, this is going to be easy, but it may not be so, you see. Okay, next, number B. Alack, it was I who leaped at the sun to give it my loving friends to keep. Not man could do have I left undone. And you see my harvest, what I reap this very day, now a year is run. Okay, so this is the paragraph before the last one. Identify the satire in the word harvest. Satire, some other meaning or something that has happened which was not, which the patriot was not expecting to happen. What is that? What do you mean by the word harvest over here? The result was fantabulous? Obviously not. The result was not very happy or very good. Praiseworthy dream was humiliated. Let's see number C. The hard work of the whole year amounted to nothing. Alright, C and B and C both are similar. The patriot was misunderstood. This is right, the patriot was misunderstood, but this is not what is the actual satirical meaning of harvest. What is it? The hard work of the whole year amounted to nothing. Harvest. We wait for the whole, we wait for summer, we wait for the spring, summer, we work for spring and summer and wait for the autumn season to come when we can see, when we can take our harvest. What we have produced, we will check it then. Okay, so here we found the satire is that so much of hard work, but we received nothing. So that is why it will be Roman C. Next, number 2, identify the word from the stanza which suggests that the patriot was dismayed at the result. You see number A, not, undone, reap, alack. So what will be the answer to this? Identify the word from the stanza which suggests that the patriot was dismayed at the result. Obviously, not is also there, but not means nothing. Undone is obviously not. Reap, alack. You see, alack is the word which means sadness. Next, coming to the third and the last one for today. What does the patriot mean in the line? It was I who leaped at the sun. The patriot acted like Icarus. Correct. The patriot was over-ambitious. Maybe. The patriot chose himself over his friends. Correct. This is also correct. The patriot regrets that he chose to sacrifice himself than his loved ones. This is wrong. So A, B and C all are correct. But which one is better than the other two? It was I who leaped at the sun. The patriot chose himself over his friends. Instead of sacrificing his friends, he wanted to sacrifice himself. So number C is correct. So you see, you will get very close options. You'll have to find out which one is the better and tick it. Okay, and so that is all for today. You see, I have just solved 2 extracts from the patriot. There are more extracts to come, more MCQ questions to come. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked it, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, because it gives me a lot of happiness when you say that my videos have helped you. And this new semester system where you have the first part MCQ and the second part subjective questions, I'll be very happy if I can help you in this new format of question paper. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel, and bye bye everybody.